Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to complete a Rosetta stone without doing it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you're looking to skip lessons or complete Rosetta stone without doing all the exercises, what you can do is manually mark the lessons as complete. To do that, head over and open up your Rosetta Stone app and then simply select any unit and then tap on the lessons, and here you can tap on start learning right here. Some versions may allow you to move ahead to the next lesson after a few attempts. Then you can also use placement tests. Some Rosetta Stone versions allow a placement test to jump ahead. If available, select a higher level at the beginning to bypass easier lessons. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down if you have any questions, and see you soon in the next one.